everyone, I am Miss Micaela Cisones, your professor in physical education. So today, we will discuss the concept of physical education. So the topics to be covered is the aim, meaning, and objectives. So let's proceed to the first. Definition of the physical education. According to Obertheofer, the physical education is the sum of those experiences which comes to individual through movements. So the second definition is physical education is the sum of man's physical activities selected as to kind and conducted as to outcomes. So according to him, we need to be physically fit and not only in our body but also in our mind. So the next definition is the physical education is that phase of whole field of education that deals with the big muscle activities. Again, so kailangan hindi lang ang ating body yung gumagana. Syempre, meron tayong mental, emotional, and also the physical, which is ang ating mga muscle ay kailangan ay active. So the next one, according to Cassidy, physical education is the sum of changes in the individual caused by experiences centering motor activity. So again, we have to be ability to perform and enjoy ang ating day-to-day because physical activity is connected in our daily life. Also, PE is an integral part of physical education program designed to promote optimum development, like what I said earlier, the individual physically, socially, emotionally, and mentally through total body movement in the performance. So, in addition, in our discussion, kasama din natin ang ating spiritual development. So, next one, the meaning of physical education. So, this is the major topic that we discussed today. So, first is, physical education is an integral part of the total education process and has at its aims the development of the physically, mentally, socially, and emotionally fit citizens. Also, again, sabi ko nga kanina, we need to idagdag natin yung ating spiritually development. So, through the medium of physical activities that have been selected and planned to achieve specific outcomes. So, it means we need to achieve our body na kailangan ma-adapt natin yung pagiging physically fit natin. Even though na wala tayo sa school or kahit nasa bahay lamang tayo. So, what are objectives? So, let's proceed to the objectives. So, short-term statements of specific outcomes that build cumulative to reach a goal. So, it means objectives is specific outcomes. So, specific. So, hindi lang natin sasabihin na itong objectives na to is dito lang sa PE to. So, pagising pa lang natin sa umaga, kasama na natin ang PE. So, first, in objectives of physical education is the physical development. So, under the physical development is the develop and maintain good health and high level of physical fitness. So, it means kailangan ay ma-maintain natin ang pagiging healthy body natin or dapat healthy living tayo. Healthy living. Also, kailangan physically fit din tayo. Yung ating mismong physical na body. So, dapat active yung ating mga organ system, circulatory system, nervous system, muscular system, and digestive system. So, pag sinabing physical development, it maintains good health and high level of physical fitness. Kailangan mong maging physically fit and good health. The second one, the social development. So, social development is related to development of social traits, essential for better adjustment in life, and also, social development is everyone needs leadership qualities. So, kailangan natin siya. Kailangan natin makipag-socialize sa ating mga kaklase, sa ating mga competitors, kung tayo man ay mga nasa competitions. And also, for the players, come closer to each other in spite of different culture, place, etc. So, for example, naroroon tayo sa isang game, like for example is the volleyball game. And then, dinayo natin yung ating players, they need to socialize to others. Kasi, kailangan nilang makipag-socialize sa iba para malaman din nila na hindi lang sila yung players. So, again, social development, it is a better source of attaining qualities like fair play, cooperation, sympathy, sportsmanship, and courtesy. So, the third one is the emotional development. So, the first one of our objectives, let's recall, the physical development, the social development, and the third one is the emotional development. So, emotions are vital for every individual, but excess are always bad. So, ibig sabihin, pag nag-excess yung emotion mo, for example, is nasa competition ka, nag-excess yung ang inyong emotion, maaaring yun yung maging cause ng pagiging disqualified mo or pagkawala mo dun sa team. So, this is the major object responsible for developing, controlling. This is the very important, controlling various emotions like fear, pleasure, hope, wonder, and anger. So, dapat hindi natin inaangat yung ating emotion sa anger. So, yung anger na yun yung nagiging cause minsan ng pagiging away or kaya naman yung hindi natin pakikipag-intindihan sa ating mga students like teacher and students. And then, for example, is for competitors, yung ating mga kakompetensya sa mga players and the coaches. So, dapat nandun pa din yung pag-control natin ng emotions natin. So, the last one is, by participating in various physical education programs, an individual starts having control over his or her emotion. So, sabi ko nga kanina, we need to control our emotions because ito yung nagiging cause ng ating pagiging makasarili o minsan naman ito yung nagiging masama sa atin. Nagiging sala na yung pagiging align natin pagdating sa mga pakikipag-usap or pakikipag-socialize. And then, the next one is mental development. So, sa emotional development, kakombination din to ng mental development. So, ang mental development, it is related to mental development of an individual. Siyempre, meron tayong sari-sariling pag-iisip. So, sabi nga kanina sa emotional development, kung kaya nating kontrolin ang ating emotion, dapat sa mental development, kaya din nating kontrolin yung ating pag-iisip. So, various physical activities need alertness of mind, deep concentration, and calculated movements. So, through mental development, participation in various activities, individual learns to draw certain conclusions. Minsan, hindi man natin masabi sa ibang tao, pero sa isip natin, marami na tayong sinasabi. So, mali din yon. So, able to understand and face situations in game. So, dapat ay kailangan ay kailangan natin maharap yung mga sitwasyon pagdating sa isang game or sa isang klase, kasi tayo din ang magdidesisyon yan. Sarili lang din natin. So, the last one, again, it is additional in our discussion, the spiritual development. So, first thing to do is, kailangan meron tayong belief of God. So, it is a bringing of family values and life experiences. So, we need to have a faith to God because, for example, naroon tayo sa isang competitions, kailangan natin mangibabaw yung ating belief to God. So, in overall of development of health, provide education, prevention of communicable diseases, develops health-related habits, and there are various programs about recreation. So, modern physical education program reduce the stress, tension, up to a large extent to promote health of an individual. So, again, ang ating physical education, nakakatanggal siya ng stress. Bakit? Kasi pwede nating gamitin yung physical education, pwede nating i-apply yung ating mga learning sa physical education, like for example is dancing, playing badminton, volleyball, basketball, and etc. And then, this is the part of what is problematic issues in PE. For me, as a teacher, the problematic issues in PE is the personal experiences or personal experience. Why? So, meron tayong iba't ibang experiences sa physical education because from grade 1 hanggang college level, meron tayong physical education. So, kahit paulit-ulit or repeatedly ang ating physical education, ito ay ina-adapt pa din natin itong mga nangyayari or yung mga ginagawa natin sa physical education. For example nga yung ating mga playing, like yung ating mga sports, dancing, pwede natin gamitin siya like sa Zumba. So, sa personal experience, so, merong mga tao na marunong sa sayaw lang, marunong sa laro lang. So, dito madedevelop natin sa physical education 1 ang ating mga kahinaan or weaknesses sa ating physical education. So, the last one, an important message for you, class. Educating all children to achieve their physically best or physical best. So, kailangan nating maging physically fit, again, maging physically fit, not only for ating physical na kaanyuan or physical body, but our emotional, mental, spiritual. So, kailangan nandun pa din, sama-sama pa din yun. So, again, thank you, class. Sana ay kayo ay may natutunan sa ating bagong lesson for this day, and God bless.